Morning guys. I'm going to just do a quick video for my toner I'm using today. I forgot to take a video before I washed it, so I'll pop a picture on of what the start looks like now. Okay, so today I've already washed my hair with some shampoo and I'm ready to tone it. And we are using the Colour Touch 975. This is the very light blonde brown mahogany. Aha. So we're going for just that one on its own today. There's the empty tube. And I am doing one of that to two of the Colour Touch 1.96 volume. So this one mixed with that one on my head for 20 minutes, washed off, treatment, and then I'll show you the end result soon. Oh my God, my cat's on top of the Christmas tree. Oh! Mate, what are you doing? I can just see it moving about. You're a great big fat lump as well. I don't know how you've not knocked the tree over. Where are you? Where are you? Hello? Yeah, there you are. Sneaky. Okay guys, so colour's on now. I'm going to leave it 20 minutes and then we shall wash it off and pop a treatment through. I'm getting it cut next week into a mullet again. So I spent 2 years growing it out from my mullet into a bob. Oh my God, the cat's on the tree again. And then now I'm going to cut it off again. So yeah, typical me. What else does everybody do when their colours are on? Do you know what I'm about to do? I can't sit down for 20 minutes with this on, else I'll get it on the sofa, I can guarantee it. So I'm going to sort out my freezer, take some of the stuff out, and I've got 20 minutes to do it in. It's like a little countdown. Why do I do these things? Oh. Okay, so I've washed the colour off, a couple of shampoos, and now I've got a conditioning treatment on. So I'm just going to leave this on for 10 minutes whilst I finish clearing out my freezer. This is what it's looking like midway. Fabulous. I'll speak to you soon. Hey guys, so I'm back. Are you ready? Ta-ta! I've given it a nice bouncy blow to stimulate your eyeballs. Oh, bad lighting again. Going by the back door. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. It's wet. Let me put my outdoor slippers on. Hello, we're outside. Okay, so this is what it looks like outside. Very, very nice. Just a little slowly going darker. I don't want it to be massively dark. I just want it to be a light brown. So I'm just using up some of my colours at the moment before I go the full whack. So yeah, here we go. This is how it's turned out. Yeah, I'm really pleased with it. Feels nice. Always happy with the Colour Touch, but I couldn't find a video on that was going raw or doing the full 975 on its own without mixing it with other colours, so I thought I'd do one myself, and that is a wrap.